Hi there, this side Viren. So today we are trying to discuss one of the CodeChef round problem, and the problem name is points and line. So here it is given that given n points of a form x comma y on a 2D plane. From each point you can draw two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. Now some of the line may overlap each other, therefore you can require to print the number of distinct line you can see on a plane. Okay, so basically it is given that, for example, we have point here, we have one point. So from this point we can do like this, we can draw this vertical line and one horizontal line. Okay, so basically this was the first condition. And what was the second thing? It is given that it may possible that lines are overlapped. Yes, so this was the one point we are considering. And for example, if we have another point like here, it's bigger, like here we have one more point. So from this point also we are drawing one like this, and another line is like this. Okay, but this line overlaps. So basically we have, this is one distinct line, this is one another distinct line, and this is one another distinct line. So basically we have three distinct line in this case. So this was the scenarios given here, and we have to print the how many distinct line we can maximum formed. So yeah, simply first line contain t number of test cases, then the test case follow n lines and n number of points, and each n lines describe xy, the coordinate of that point. So yeah, in this case, if we consider that this first case, so it is here well defined, explained. So like we have total three tests, and in first test case we have 4 points, and these are the coordinate of that point, right? So let us visualize in this. So here we have 4 points, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0, and 1 comma 1. So basically from this graphical representation of the point, we are get to know that this is the first distinct line, this was the second distinct line, this was the third distinct line, and this was the fourth distinct line. So we are getting here four different lines. It may possible we are getting more also, but they are overlapping. This is also one line, and this is also one line, but we will consider it as one line only because both are overlapped to each other. So yeah, this was the case. Let us discuss one more test case, and we are get to know the approach what we are going to build. So for example, if we are, let me draw, this is the xy plane, right? We have one point, the origin itself, we have another point here somewhere else, we have some point here. Okay, we have some point here, and we have some one more point here. Okay, so what approach we are going to build like this? The one line xy axis is itself the line for this, and for this point we have another like this line and this line. So we have different, this is one distinct line, this is one distinct line, and this is also considered as distinct line, this is also considered as distinct line, this. Now okay, this is, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 distinct line we are get to. So let me write this coordinate also. It's 0 comma 0, it's 0 comma 1, let me take 0 comma 1, it is like 1 comma 1, it is like 1 comma 2, and it is like 2 comma 2. Okay, so here how many different we are just count that how many different axis x point we have, and how many different y point we have. So because one vertical line we are get from one y coordinate, and one horizontal line we are get from one x coordinate. So if we have, like for example, here we have same uh, this point has same x coordinate, so where we are get only one vertical line from this coordinate. Likewise, so let us consider how the distinct x we have and what are the distinct y we are having. this is for x and this is for y. So we have x 0, yes, for here it is 0, here it is 0, and we have x is equal to 1 also. This is same for this case, but it is distinct from previous one, so we consider that also. And we have one more x also here 2. Okay, we have 0 1 to 3 different x, so this means that we can draw 3 different distinct vertical lines from this x. Now consider how many different y we have. We have first y as 0, so we get one horizontal line from this y coordinate. We have y has 1 also, like here and here. So likewise we have 1 also in y, and we have 2 in y also. Yeah, so 2. We just take the count of distinct only, so we simply print x plus y, that was our total line. X plus y, that is our total number of distinct line we can form from this coordinate. So this was the simple approach I get. So how we will implement in code? So basically I used one data structure, that is set. And what is set? Let us discover. For example, we have set. Set is just an collection which maintain the order and contain the unique element only, like this. Let me draw first some boxes. Okay, for example, we have a number like 1, 2, 10, again 2, again 1, again 3, like this. So what set basically do? It will do like, firstly we are starting from inserting from this point. So we are just insert 1 here. Now check 2, 2 is greater, so we will insert here. Now 10, it is again greater, so we will insert here. Now the point is that 2 will come, so we will check is there any 2 exist or not. It is exist, so it will just ignore it. Now we'll go for next. We are inserting, but at the back end it will not take as a 2. We are again inserting 1, but again it will search, it is present, yes, it is present here, so it will not insert 1 also. It is just, set is like a collection of unique data and in order manner. Now 3 will come, so what it do? It will check 3 is present, no, 3 is not present. So now we check the order, 1 2 3, this was the third position, so we need to remove it. So here we just add 3, and 10 also goes here. So likewise this. So basically the main advantage of using set is that we don't in this question the order is not matter, we just need the unique element, so I use set. So let me see the how implementation is look like. My submission, let me view the code. Okay, so as I said, likewise, yeah, I take a n, the number of points which are present in 2D plane, and take the user. I take two set for storing the x coordinate in set 1 and storing the y distinct y coordinate in set 2. Likewise, I run for loop for n times and take the x and y and inserting in x set 1 and set 2, and simply print the size of set 1 plus set 2. And yeah, you can see that I got accepted label for this question also. So yes, this was the simple approach and implementation of this solution. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any doubt related to this question, you can simply comment down in comment box. Otherwise, you can reach out to me at my Telegram channel.